Hello. Do you want to make a lot of money with little work and no risk? Do you want to earn money from the convenience of your own home? Are you constantly on the lookout for easier ways to make money online? Look no further as I present to you an incredible strategy for earning up to $200 each day. Yes, you heard correctly? The best thing is that you won't have to spend any money because your earnings will be transferred immediately to your PayPal account. This method can also be used from anywhere in the world because it is highly inclusive. You can start making a lot of money with just a few simple actions. This practice is completely legit, and people all around the world use it to supplement their income. You don't even need any technical knowledge because it's quite user-friendly. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification feature so you don't miss any videos in the future. So, we spend many hours and hours of our days on social media liking photos, watching videos, etc. As social media has become the most popular place to share your voice, opinions, and your enthusiasm. Everyone aspires to expand their reach and become well-known. Instagram is a tremendously popular site among the young, who are continuously seeking ways to enhance their reach and obtain more followers. What if I tell you, you can make hundreds of dollars every day by simply liking Instagram posts and following Instagram accounts? Just with a few clicks you can make a crazy amount of cash and take one step towards attaining the financial dream that you have always dreamed about. This method is 100% legit, so don't worry. For starters, the only thing you need is an Instagram account. Assuming you already have an account, and if not, you can simply go and create one immediately. The first website we will use is AddMeFast.com, which is a well-known website. AddMeFast is a legitimate website for boosting Facebook likes, Facebook shares, Facebook followers, Instagram likes, Instagram account followers, Twitter followers, YouTube subscribe, YouTube video likes, YouTube views, and other social media. AddMeFast allows you to earn points simply by doing things on the internet that you already do. You earn points by liking, following, subscribing to, or browsing the social media accounts of others. The best part is that this website's registration is entirely free. As previously stated, you will not be required to invest any money, and this method will be completely free. The points you earn on the website will be turned into cash, and you will be able to make a lot of money utilizing this website. Now follow along as I explain what has to be done so you can begin making money right away. To begin, click on the registration now. You will be prompted to enter your email address as well as your password. Once you've completed the registration process, AddMeFast will send you a confirmation email to your address. Check your spam folder too because the email might end up there. You must now log in with your email address and password. You'll be sent to the dashboard once you've logged in. You'll discover a variety of ways to earn points on this website on the left-hand side. It might be as simple as like Facebook posts, getting Instagram likes, getting Instagram followers, getting Twitter followers, subscribing to YouTube channels, liking YouTube videos, and so on. We're going to concentrate on liking Instagram posts and following Instagram accounts for this video. From the dashboard, select the Instagram followers option. You will be taken to a page as soon as you click on it. After that, the page will tell how many points you will earn by simply following the account. When you click on follow, a new tab will open. All you need to do is log into your Insta account and follow the given account. Once done, close the tab. You can keep on doing this and keep earning points. We'll now use our second website to convert the points we've earned into cash. PlayerUp.com is the name of the second website. PlayerUp is an online marketplace where users can buy, sell, and share digital products and services. So go to your browser and type in PlayerUp.com. You'll be directed to their website, where people are selling a variety of digital things. Scroll down to all other games/marketplace and select Y from the drop-down menu. Choose YouTube from the list of choices that begin with the letter Y. You'll find a variety of choices, such as selling YouTube accounts, likes, and views. The sale of YouTube subscribers will be our main focus. There are a lot of people selling YouTube subscribers on this site. So all you have to do is sign up for a player account and offer a similar service. Let me now demonstrate how to apply your gained points in AddMeFast on PlayerUp. All you have to do to sell subscribers is click the Add button. You'll be taken to this screen, where you can select YouTube subscribe as your type. Click on Worldwide for countries. Then enter the channel name and the channel link that will be provided by the buyer. The number of points you can spend will be determined by the CPP. You may easily sell your points and earn a lot of money this way. So hurry over to the website and register as soon as possible. Give us a thumbs up and let us know what you think in the comments section if you enjoyed our video.